Ah, super cute. Ah, so cute. You want to see that on? I can. Look at that. How adorable it is. It's already, and we did ombre. We designed ombre for you, so then you don't have to worry about. Okay, so let's do that one. Stunning. Eric, you wait. You will see all of this. I'm like, my blows. I'm so excited. We've been working really hard. There's so many, a lot of more are coming. I'm not allowed to say anything, but stay tuned for so many good things coming. And each of a new product released out, there's a tutorial free to every single of you to make sure that you achieve completely successful with that. And we are here for you. If you need anything, there's more. It's great products coming in. It's not only accessories and beyond and such, and a lot of other things. And this is all, everything is for you to achieve your great at work and also love what you're doing. Just imagine it will have nothing to do with just like doing a regular nails for years. That's how I get bored. I don't know if any of you like that. I'm gonna tell you about me myself. The older I get, the more I understand about myself. I would never consider it as I am being so good already. So no white top coat, and I'm not learning. I always like seek out for a more training in a different levels. Doesn't matter. I still consider myself as beginner of a lot of new things, you know. So I continues a lot of continued education. It's not only for my careers, also a lot with so many things like management, anything I could learn and study. So then I can keep it up fresh, so I won't be really tired of what I'm doing and hate what I am doing. Because if you feel like you do same things over and over or same designs over and over and you don't have something new, it just makes your life is really like, it's okay, but it could be so much better, you know. I don't know if you feeling the same, but that's how I feeling it. Ooh. Now let's so anything would be like news and up to date. I'm taking it. I really like it. This is so cute, and you're doing the right edges of the nails. You can do however you would like. You can do right in the middle of the nails. And there's ones will be for you to do encapsulate underneath too. Like if you're doing liquid and powders. So instead of you sitting half an hour to just molding this, right? You're gonna still upsell and then add it on the surface of a client the same price as you're gonna sit and mold all of this. Look at how it's go. Let me show you. It's go right into the nails, right? You see that how it edges is go curve to your nails. So it doesn't look like pop up on the side. So it just really go firm and tight along with the nail structures. So save you so much time. You still enjoy what you're doing, and this is a handmade. It's not like
one machine cannot make this.
Yep, no. This is love making it. Like, I mean, from really dedicated love. So make that happen for all of you. I'm so excited. Please stay tuned for more. So if you want more, add some more. And then we'll do Diamond Dust Pixie. You want AB on this one, or you want a purple on this one? I know Hughes love AB. I don't know if any of you. Wow, Eric's love purple. I don't like all of them. Debbie. Debbie's AB all the way. AB looks really super cute on this. Oh, maybe I'll do half of AB and half of purple. How about that? Let me do half of AB. Can you help me this one? And half of purple. So I'm gonna continue to help and doing all different tutorials with how to do flowers and all of this to help all of you achieve the perfect look. Just half of this. Like have an ombre. You don't have to be necessarily the same thing with what I'm doing. You can do like solids AB all the way. I'm just curious and I want to see this on this. Well, I know it's good, but I want to show you how you can achieve this. Okay, close or put back into yours. Get the new tray. Close it so I won't spill it because I really like, well, just speaking of that, I just spill it. Well, here's AB. I think this one better than the rose. It's beautiful. Thank you. I love this. Hey, Fire. How are you? All right, so go into the AB. Make sure they're not contaminating. And you can do the rest of them. That is so stunning. So now you have an option of seeing a different colors. Oh, I like it a lot. Sorry if I'm missing any. Tap it to make sure it's all even. All right, here for 60 seconds. This is so adorable. Facebook page.